So to fix this problem, what you have to do is to first of all go to your phone menu, then you scroll down below to the D section, and you're going to see this DLS25. This is it. So you have to navigate it, tap on the app info. Now when you get over here, try to turn this on, which is the notification. So when you tap on it, you're going to see allow notification. Then you tap over here to turn it on. Now go back, tap on the storage in cache, tap on the clear cache, which is down below. So now go back, tap on the mobile data and Wi-Fi, tap on the background data to turn it on. Then after that you go back, then you tap on this for stop over here, tap on OK. When this pop up, then you scroll down and tap on app details, and it's going to send you to Google Play Store. So when you get over here, you just have to tap on this, update. When you see update over here, you just have to tap on it, but don't tap on play when you see play over here. So when you see play, it means you have the latest update, so you have to update it. So when you see update, then you tap on update to get the latest update. But when you see something like this, as you can see play, don't tap on it. What you have to do is to restart your device. Then you tap on the power button for some time. Then after that you tap on restart. Then you try to restart your device. And after restarting your device, this problem is going to get fixed. Thank you for watching this video. See you in our next video. Bye.